How do I add an assignment to a class group? First, you want to select the class that you would like to give the assignment to. I'm going to select my test class. I click on the name and it loads the Google class. I am by default taken to my stream, and when it loads, I am then able to go to the plus button at the bottom right of my screen. This allows me to do the following actions: create an announcement, create an assignment, create a question, or reuse a post. I would like to create an assignment. I click on the Create Assignment button. It asks me for the title, Once I filled in the name of the title, note this will be the folder name that appears in my Google Drive folder. I can place any instructions. So I want them to please fill out the questions provided in the document attached. I now can decide on the due date. Click on the calendar and you can change it. By default it'll always set it for the very next day, so maybe I would like them to hand this in by the 5th of February. Time, is there a specific time on the 5th of February? And I'm going to hand it in, they need to hand it in by the end of the school day. Save. Now you'll see it automatically saves this. This assignment has not been assigned yet. I need to decide if I want to attach any files. If I have created my instructions or the questions that I want them to answer in a Word document, I can click on the paperclip icon, wait for the box to load, once the box appears that says select files from your computer, I may click on my computer and either look for my flash drive, which contains my file, or go to the My Documents folder. If I go to My Documents, I can search for the assignment that I would like to upload, whichever it is, click Open, and it will attach the file that I would like the learners to work with, and I can then upload that. Once I've attached the file, I can decide, do I want the students to only view the file? They will then have to attach their assignment later. Would I like the student to edit that file? But this would mean all students would be working in the exact same file. That could be problematic. Imagine handing out a test and every single learner is going to record their answers on the exact same piece of paper. Chaos. Or make a copy for each student. Each student will receive their own copy of the file, which they will then submit their answers. That is probably the best option. I will then click the Assign button. If, however, I would like to add a Google Doc instead, I would have filled out my title, instructions, date and time. I would click on the Google Drive icon. It would then load my Google Drive folder, and I could select the file that I wanted, either by scrolling through or by typing in if I know what the document is called. In this case, Start Experiment. Once again, I have the option to view, edit, or make a copy. I select the option that applies best for me, and I can assign. Maybe as part of the assignment or test, I would like the students to also watch a video. I could click on the video. That is the YouTube video icon. I could either search for a relevant video or paste the web address of the video if I know it. If I try and search for a video, I find the relevant video that I feel would be beneficial for the learners to watch. I can click on it and add that as part of their assignment. They know in preparation for the assignment they must watch this video as well. I then assign the assignment. It asks me, do I want to assign it? Students will see the assignment in their stream immediately. Maybe I don't. Maybe the test is only going to be written on Friday, and so I don't assign it yet. I wait until the day or time that I feel it's appropriate, and then I can assign it. You'll notice the assignment is now been added. It will then tell me how many students I have in my class. When they first received the assignment, no one has done it. And as they submit, you will see this number change until hopefully every single person has done their assignment.